Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on another planet? Imagine waking up, looking out your window, and instead of seeing trees or skyscrapers, you see the dusty red surface of Mars. Crazy, right? Well, not for Elon Musk. For him, this is the future. He's working toward colonizing Mars. But how exactly does he plan to pull off one of the most ambitious space missions in human history? Is this just a wild dream? Or is there real science and strategy behind it? Today, we're diving deep into Musk's plans to turn humans into an interplanetary species, and what it will take to make Mars our second home. First things first, let's talk about the hardware that will make this mission possible. Musk's vision to colonize Mars hinges on one thing: the Starship. This massive, reusable spacecraft, currently under development by SpaceX, is designed to carry up to 100 people at a time. And that's just the beginning. Musk's long-term goal is to build a fleet of starships that can regularly travel between Earth and Mars, essentially creating a space highway. The Starship is not just a spacecraft, it's a game changer. Unlike previous rockets, which are usually discarded after a single use, the Starship is designed to be fully reusable. That's huge. It means we could drastically cut the costs of space travel, making it possible for more missions to Mars. But here's the thing. It's not just about the rocket. Timing is crucial. Mars isn't always close to Earth. In fact, the two planets only align in a way that's optimal for a trip every 26 months. This alignment, known as a launch window, is when Mars is closest to us, and it's the best time to send spacecraft. So Musk is planning his missions around these windows. The idea is to send cargo missions first, filled with supplies, equipment, and resources to prepare the planet for human arrival. Then, the humans will follow. So, what happens once we get there? How do we actually live on Mars? It's not like we can just step out of the Starship and start building houses. Mars is a harsh, inhospitable place. It's cold, about -80 degrees Fahrenheit on average, and its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. To survive, we'll need to build self-sustaining colonies. Musk has a plan for that too. He envisions habitats that are pressurized and temperature-controlled, using materials that can be sourced from the Martian soil. Water can be extracted from underground ice, and solar panels can provide the energy needed to power everything. But building these habitats is only the beginning. We'll need food, water, and oxygen. Growing crops on Mars might sound like science fiction, but researchers are already working on it. Studies from NASA's Kennedy Space Center suggest that it's possible to grow plants in Martian soil, especially if we enhance it with certain nutrients. Imagine this Martian greenhouse is filled with crops, supplying future colonists with the food they need to survive. It's a huge challenge, but one that Musk believes we can overcome with enough innovation and technology. Of course, there are significant risks involved. Mars isn't just cold and dry, it's also bombarded by cosmic radiation. Without a protective magnetic field like Earth's, Martian settlers will be exposed to high levels of radiation, which could increase the risk of cancer and other health issues. To counter this, scientists are looking into solutions like underground habitats or using Martian soil to build radiation shields around living areas. But radiation isn't the only problem. Low gravity on Mars could also have long-term effects on human health. Mars has only about 38% of Earth's gravity, which could lead to muscle loss and bone deterioration over time. Despite these challenges, Musk remains optimistic. He's working closely with scientists and engineers to develop technologies that could help humans not just survive, but thrive on Mars. So, why does Musk want to do this? Why colonize Mars in the first place? For him, it's about the survival of humanity. Musk believes that becoming a multiplanetary species is the best way to ensure the long-term survival of the human race. In case of a disaster on Earth, like a massive asteroid impact, nuclear war, or a global pandemic, having a backup plan on another planet could mean the difference between survival and extinction. It's a bold vision, but one that many scientists agree is worth pursuing. Dr. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds in physics, echoed this sentiment, saying that humanity must explore space to survive. He believed that the future of the human race depends on our ability to spread beyond Earth. But let's fast forward a bit. Imagine it's 50 or 100 years from now. What does life on Mars actually look like? Musk envisions bustling colonies, with cities built across the Martian surface, connected by advanced transportation systems. Starships traveling back and forth between Earth and Mars, bringing new settlers and supplies. These colonies would need to be self-sufficient, meaning they could produce their own food, energy, and even building materials. Some researchers are even exploring the idea of terraforming Mars, changing its environment to make it more Earth-like. This could involve warming the planet by releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, or even introducing microbial life to help generate oxygen. But terraforming is still in the realm of theory, and it could take centuries to achieve. For now, the focus is on creating enclosed habitats where humans can live and work safely. Colonizing Mars isn't just about science or technology, it's about the human spirit. It's about our curiosity, our desire to explore the unknown, and our need to push the boundaries of what's possible. Throughout history, humanity has always sought new frontiers, from the discovery of new continents to the exploration of space. And now, Mars is the next great frontier. It won't be easy. There will be failures, setbacks, and challenges we can't even imagine yet. But if anyone can make it happen, it's Elon Musk and SpaceX. His plan may sound ambitious, some would even say impossible, but with every test flight, every new discovery, we're one step closer to making life on Mars a reality. So, what do you think? Will Elon Musk's dream of colonizing Mars come true? Are we really on the verge of becoming a multiplanetary species, or is this just another sci-fi fantasy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as excited about space exploration as we are, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.